So this is McDiesel Rehab here, and we've got a 1989 Fox body Mustang, the 5.0 in it, and getting it to crank over. She didn't want to start fire. Noticed several things. She did crank over. She did run before she was parked. We had some rats that ate in the wiring harness down here, if you see. That's either airflow or temperature sensor. I can't remember which one, but I'm not sure if it's gotten through any of the injector harnesses. It's eaten a little bit through that one. Kind of hard to see, but we can get her to turn over, but the throttle body is frozen right now. So I have another one we can put on. And what our goal here today is we're going to try to get this thing to crank over so we can sell the car as is. It's a shame to see it go to waste. And we like seeing, seeing things go to good use. Now when it ran good, it sounded good. It's got stainless steel borderless exhaust from the headers all the way back. Those are stainless steel, as you can kind of tell if you look at the color. And the car ran great. When I originally came across this car, it was not running. The guy said it didn't run, and it didn't take much, and I got it running, so just a few adjustments. That was like 10 or 15 years ago, and then so now I gave it to somebody else, and we're going to try to see if we can get it running so he can sell the car. A lot of projects for him, so we're going to do that. We do have it turning over right now, but it's not actually cranking. We're going to do a little jumping, but we're going to get that throttle body loosened up, and we're going to see if she'll run on some ether with the ignition in the running position. I know it had an alarm on it. I may have to double check on that alarm to see if it's just doing a disable through the ignition. I can't remember, but I think we should be able to get it started today. So we'll get back with you on that when we start trying some stuff.